Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install PhotoRoom on Android and iPhone. As I will be demonstrating these steps on iPhone, but don't worry, the process is almost the same on Android. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Within it, look for the search icon at the bottom and tap PhotoRoom at the search bar. Now from the search results, find PhotoRoom AI Photo Editor, then tap on the Get button and make sure to authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID. Once authenticated, it will begin to download, and please make sure to wait for some moment as it depends based on your internet stability. Once downloaded, tap on the open option to launch the app on your phone. But if you are using an Android phone, the steps are very similar. Just open the Google Play Store, within the search bar tap PhotoRoom, then tap install and wait for the app to download. When you open the PhotoRoom for the first time, it may ask for permission like access to photos. Allow the required permission so that the app can work properly, and that's how you can successfully install the PhotoRoom on your device. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more tutorials.